जय श्री राधे। प्रोग्रेसिव शॉर्टहैंड पैसेजेस लीगल एक्सरसाइज 20 डिक्टेशन 80 words per minute. Start. The DR80 and admitted, yet the same was disposed of almost after 4.5 years. Full stop. We are at pains to say that the DR80 has totally forgotten the obligation cast on it under the RDB Act and also has remained quite oblivious of the salient features and the main purpose of Act. Full stop. In this context, we may fruitfully refer to the objects and reasons of the Act. Full stop. The relevant part of it reads, full stop, the financial sector has been one of the key drivers in India's efforts to achieve success in rapidly developing its economy, while the banking industry in India is progressively complying with international prudential and accounting practices. There are certain areas in which the banking and financial sector do not have a level playing field as compared to other participants in the financial markets in the world. Full stop. Para. There is no legal provision for facilitating securitization of financial assets of banks and financial institutions. Full stop. Further, unlike international banks, the banks and financial institutions in India do not have power to take possession of securities and sell them. Full stop. Our existing legal framework relating to commercial transactions has not kept pace with the changing commercial practices and financial sector reforms. Full stop. This has resulted in slow pace of recovery of defaulting loans and mounting levels of non-performing assets of banks and financial institutions. Narsingham Committee, first and second, constituted by the central government for the purpose of examining banking sector reforms, have considered the need for changes in the legal system in respect of these areas. Full stop. In another case, referring to the statement of objects and reasons, this court dealt with the submission that existing rights of private parties under a contract cannot be interfered with, more particularly putting one party in an advantageous position over the other. Full stop. In that context, the three-judge bench observed, full stop, as discussed earlier as well, it may be observed that though the transaction may have the character of a private contract, yet the question of great importance behind such transaction as a whole, having far-reaching effect on the economy of the country, cannot be ignored. Purely restricting it to individual transactions, more particularly when financing is through banks and institutions utilizing the money for the people in general, namely the depositors in the banks, and public money at the disposal of the financial institutions, full stop.